PowerPoint is all about helping you give great presentations, and Presenter View is all about helping you use PowerPoint. Traditionally, the audience faces a screen showing your PowerPoint slides, and you stand in between the audience and screen and change slides on a computer. Unless you're a professional presenter, you may also have to juggle paper notes or attempt to wing it by reading off your slides. Presenter View lets you take advantage of the dual monitor capability of a computer to separate what the audience sees from the mechanics of running a slideshow. The audience views your slides on the main screen, while you control the show with Presenter View on another screen that only you can see. Presenter View is like a dashboard that contains in one window everything you need to run your show. You have your notes over here. This monitor shows you what the audience sees, minus transition, effects, and videos. And this monitor shows you what's coming up next. You have all your tools here, which you can select out of view of the audience. And you click here to move forward or back. There's even a timer that starts when you begin your presentation, and a clock. By running Presenter View on a laptop just below eye level, you can face the audience and never have to look back at the screen. You can do things like select a laser pointer or a drawing tool, or use the slide navigator to select a different slide. And only you can see all this behind-the-scenes stuff, so the audience can stay focused on your message. Presenter View also helps you stay focused. All the controls are easy to get to in one window with big icons and a simple design. So if you're interested, let's give Presenter View a try. In the next video, we'll set up a presentation. Before you give your presentation in front of an audience, you can rehearse it with your slides using Presenter View. First, go to the Slideshow tab and make sure Use Presenter View is selected. During the show, you'll use dual monitors, but for rehearsal, you can press Alt F5 to display Presenter View on a single screen. Rehearsing this way will help you get comfortable with your slides and give you practice using Presenter View. Keep in mind that when you're using Presenter View, you're in slideshow mode, so you can't edit your slides or notes. This is good because it prevents you from unintentionally altering your slides during a show. Laptops are used by many presenters for both creating and running their shows. Most laptops available today have dual monitor capabilities built in. So when you arrive at the presentation room, all you have to do is plug the presentation projector or monitor into the connector on your laptop, and you're ready to go. Start the show to make sure everything is working. If you want to change which monitor shows Presenter View, click Display Settings, and then click Swap Presenter View and Slideshow. Before the audience arrives, run through some slides to make sure everything works and you can see your laptop. Also, make sure any non-essential programs like email and browsers are closed and your desktop is clean. These other programs slow down your computer and can cause a distraction if the audience sees them. The last thing to do is start the slideshow. Plan your PowerPoint presentation so the audience sees a welcome slide as they enter. This way the audience will know immediately that you're ready to begin. Up next, we'll give the presentation using Presenter View. The audience is settled in, and you're about ready to begin the presentation. The current slide shows on the big monitor, and over here you can see what's coming up. When you're ready, advance to the next slide or animation and begin your talk. You can click either monitor click the forward arrow or press the space bar. This slide starts with a title. The preview monitor shows that the next time we advance the slides, the first bullet will animate on, then the second bullet, and so on. Notice that you won't see animations or transitions in Presenter View. But don't worry, they'll look fine on the audience's screen. If you want to go back, press the back arrow or the backspace key. If you want to jump to a slide, click the See All Slides button and click a thumbnail. If you know the slide number, you can type it and press Enter. And if you want to run a custom show that you created in PowerPoint, click the Options button and then select a show. Your notes are over here. To change the size of the text, click these buttons. Use the mouse to scroll the text, or press Ctrl and the down or up arrow. Underneath the big monitor, you have your tools and options. Click the pen to select a laser pointer, pen, or highlighter. You can also change pen colors and erase all the ink on the slide. Click this button to select an area on the slide to zoom into. Click it again to zoom to normal size. Finally, this button blacks out the screen. You can do that if you need to focus the audience's attention away from the screen. Up here you have a timer that starts when you begin the slideshow. You can pause it or reset it. And over here there's a clock. So these are the controls you're most likely to use during a show. Way up here, kind of out of the way, you have some other options that you'll use less often. Click here to show your taskbar if you want to switch to a different program. And you can click here to end the slideshow at any time. You can also press Escape. There is one last thing. Go to the Options button and click Help to see all the keyboard shortcuts available in Presenter View. So that's Presenter View. Press Alt F5 anytime to give it a try. For more information about using PowerPoint during a presentation, check out the links in the course summary.